ready to record. It is recording. Look at Steven. Dude. What looks the same? Look at him. Back to me. 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 What's the difference? I know I look way better. Okay, we are playing. Comment below to see who's better looking. I'm a little obsessed with myself. I don't watch my own videos.
Oh, how you found?
Trollers. I want to watch those other videos somewhere. We are playing Skyrim right now. Steven just took a shower. Now we are watching Skyrim. Well, playing Skyrim. And I am listening to... This page is blank. Dun dun dun. I don't know. I look way more tanned in camera. Look at this, Steven. Look at me. I look so tanned. So dark. Who can see my hair? Look, Steven, you can't see my hair. I have hair everywhere. It's in my underwear, and I don't care. Do 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 do.
Wasn't me. Me playing Skyrim. Me playing Skyrim. I'm stuck on this mission. Who knows what you want popcorn? Where are you? Tiger, what happened?
Oh my god!
Buy popcorn? He's all upstairs.
Robin.
That's just Robin. Go tell mom. Go tell her to phone mom for you.
Go.
Go.
Hey.
Not about yelling in my house.
Ignore the screaming.
Be quiet, you troller.
Shh. Come here. And we'll let you play on the laptop.
I'll let you play game. I'll let you play video game.
I was robbing a little kid. Okay. You want to play games? Hey, so if you stop, I'll listen. I can't understand you, and when you're if you I follow you, I can make you sound fatter. That doesn't work. Come here. Did you ask Robin to make her? She keeps going on her computer? Tell her to be like, make me popcorn now, or I'll tell Mommy you're being mean to me.
Mommy?
Don't worry, Mommy will be back soon with Daddy, and he'll make us his popcorn again. Okay? Okay.
There's a whole bunch of weird skeletons now.
Alright. It's been a while since I made my video.
Oh, Denmark.
This was a bad time to record.
Stop laughing. Shut up.
What are we laughing at?
Whatever.
That was Tiger acting. Okay, go on the laptop. Stop acting, Tiger. Isn't he a good actor? Okay, so now that all the awkwardness is out of the way, I can finally talk. Okay. It's been a while since I made a video, and I just wanted to say
Hi, guys.
hi.
Hello? Ah! And
What do I do?
I don't really know. I only went to the voice and went all the way back. I have, okay, that was me. Wait. Give it a thumbs up if you hate Hannah Montana. Miley Cyrus is the same person exactly. How does he know how to work a laptop?
He goes on mine all the time.
Okay, thumbs up if you like. Can you? Tiger! Stop it! I'm trying to do this. Okay.
Wait.
Done? Okay. Now, just like the video. And tell your friends. Sound a little creepy. Anyways, peace out. Mwah.
Thank you.